Okay everyone, back by popular demand, credit scoring online versus real credit scoring. Quit listening to the damn internet. Every day I get questions on why my credit report, when I look online with freecreditreport.com, what day is it of the week.com, does it pull up my miraculous credit score being 5,000 points when you pull it and it says that it's 800 or it's 600 or it's 700. I'll go over this once again because this is one of the #1 questions and the #1 conversations that I seem to still be having with clients that I need everybody to understand, because it's super important for yourself to understand how credit is given and how it's scored. Now, there's only 3 bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. They're like cousins. They're not like immediate family, but they're all pretty close to each other. They don't look at things all the same. So when it comes to us pulling your credit as a financial institution who's going to extend credit to you, or an auto company or a credit card company, someone who's actually going to extend credit versus your credit card online who you already have credit with, who just wants to show you your score potentially, there are going to be pretty big differences there. Now, the online stuff that you're going to see, they're going to use a more looser scoring model, a more weaker scoring version of what your credit looks like. They may only go back 3 years, 2 years, but they may not look at balances a certain way. They may not look at credit limits. They may not look at lates, collections a certain way. It will look higher than this score really is, versus what a financial institution pulls. We're going to look further back. Not just me, Matthew Cole Company, but every mortgage company, every auto company, everybody that extends credit, they're gonna look back further, 7, 10 years of your credit. And they're also gonna look at things more stricter. They're gonna look at collections a lot harder, late payments, higher balances, the credit limit ratios. They're gonna dig in a little deeper to where that's gonna affect your score more negatively than when you're just looking for an actual score. The cost is less for those guys. They're not gonna spend high money on giving you just a score for your own purpose versus us pulling your credit and getting you a score that we need to use when it's actually gonna grade your loan type. So always pay attention to what your balances are. Always pay attention to what you got on your credit score. And don't be a hero. Don't do it yourself, because all you're gonna do is waste money. I 100%, the most strongest recommendation I can provide you is always have a professional look at your credit. Whether it's myself, whether it's your other loan officer, or a credit repair person. Make sure it's the right credit repair person, because some of them are junk. But let us look at it. We're gonna tell you, hands down, if you have the right program, to tell you what needs to be done. Don't just go take thousands of dollars and apply it towards a debt thinking that's gonna save the day, because that doesn't always end up being the case. We need to look at your credit, each bureau and each credit trade line separately, so that we can tell you exactly what needs to be done for the exact amount of benefit. And it could save you thousands of dollars. Just recently had a lady throw $9,000 at collections, her credit went down. Don't do that. So if you have any questions about how to improve your credit or how to just maybe manage your credit better, call me. I got an almost 800 credit score. Would love to help you how I got it from 300 to 800 and get you buying a house.